Murutwo mwe wa mwaka wa gatano University ya JKUAT aramukira urigitani thibitari-ini ya Kenyatta thutha wake kurathwo na kugurario kiande-ini giake akigeria kuingira thingira-ini wa iregi guku Nairobi. Kurerikana ati Murutwo uyu Brian Kibet o miaka 25 arageragia kuingira kihingo-ini kimwe mathaa-ini ma thaa 10 hindi iria ararathirwo ni maabitha aria marangagira thingira uyu. Icera rito thukuru-ini wa JKUAT tukananiria na Clinton Onsoro uria ni mutongoria wa arutwo na aha gatariria uria Brian akoretwe mogi mathomo-ini make na matingirekuire no akorwo na ithugunda tariri.
I have known Brian for quite some time, and one thing I want to assure everyone outside there who is watching is that Brian is a very brilliant fella. Brian is a student that managed to go to Nairobi School, one of the top schools in the country. We were with him there, and all through his academic life he has always been leading, and he also managed to finish at among the top students in his class.
Ona gukiri uguo ni gwite marabitie kuona ngurani mekire-ini yake ya maundu na magekwira agagukorwo ni rathumbukaga kimeciria.
It reached at some point that we as the people close to him started noticing some difference in behavior, and of this, of course, we raised the issue with the university administration. And it's not just Brian, but it's an issue that is cutting across very many young people in the university. Sometimes young people stumble across issues to do with depression in their university life. Yes, so it is a very high chance that in the course of his studies in the university, he was depressed at some point.
Gikota giki gia kugeria kuingira thingira-ini wa iregi tikio kia mbere kuona mwaka muhitiku mundu ungi ni ageretie kuingira thingira-ini wa iregi kwaraniria na mutongoria wa bururi akiuga ni muratawe. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV matura-ini njitagwo Waithaka Kenyua.